And the gate is going to be really bouncy. Sorry. It's the barn. Hey guys. It's hard to see because of the light. Hey guys. I was trying to get a picture of the stall, but it's empty right now. Hey bud. There's a whole wooded area they have free run of. And then here is one large field on the left. Sorry, it's bouncy. It goes all the way down to the tree line. And there's another field there on the right. That goes beyond this, all these shrubs here, and then through here is a whole pathway to another smaller field. So those big fields can get blocked off, and the barn area and this field are open. And then that fence there, that's to my backyard. This is all fenced as well. It's about